What's up? Welcome back. Oh man, long day at work. I need some more therapy, so we're going to do another Porsche therapy session. I don't care what the weather's like. We're taking the white car. I don't make very many videos with the Snowflake, probably because the car hasn't been a challenge and I don't spend much time doing much with it. It's 2005 911. Wait. See, that's what kind of day it is. The white Snowflake is a 2016 911 Carrera S, a version 991.1, naturally aspirated 3.8 liter with factory sport exhaust. Come take a listen. This just makes me feel better already. Didn't put the camera where I wanted to put it, but we're going to try it out. Okay, so I have no idea how well this is going to work. Turn the music down since I don't have any licensing for any of this music. Messed with my seat. I'm all laid back. Yeah, there we go. Muscles. Not really. I'm skinny. Oh. If you hear me say anything about the AC in every single video, it's because I do not have air conditioning in my house. Electricity is muy expensive in Hawaii. And I live in a really neat place. I live in the middle of the island up on a hill with good breezes, and you really only need air conditioning like maybe 10 to 20 days out of the year. And need is questionable. It doesn't get much more than 84, 85 degrees, but the humidity gets high. So. Enough about that. This is my 2016 Porsche 911. I call it the Snowflake because it is like, looks like a cream puff. It is a mint condition, all white exterior, full black leather, leather dash, leather wheel, leather, all the extra pieces are leather. And it's got the sport chrono package, PDK, sport exhaust, PASM, and some other little features. 20-inch wheels, sunroof. You know, that's a requirement of mine. Let's see, can we operate the sunroof? Yeah. Glass sunroof. Dream of mine to come true, owning this car, really. So, none of you out in the YouTube world know that, you know, I started with a Honda video just out of fun, giggles, you know. But I rolled a Hyundai for many years, and then for a while I actually had no car, rode the bus, and life was really tough for me for a little while. So if I'm seem like I'm living beyond my means, it's because I'm trying to, because you never know. Better to say I owned a Porsche. I can say I own 2 Porsches, big old house in a nice part of town, and yeah, you just gotta take those chances and do things that you want. But okay, blah, blah, blah. It was a tough day. So breaking out the car, going for a run, and try out the camera, you know, see how this works. Got both cameras in the car. Yeah. Interestingly, that guy right there, he's got a police officer's badge on his sleeve. No, just interesting badge on his sleeve. So, main differences between this car and the black one. The black one, you got to drive it to be fast. This one is just holy shit fast. You know, yeah. I'll stop talking. Rolling the gears, but this thing is just so perfect. You don't even have to try hard. Before you know it, you're going too fast. But the car makes a wonderful sound. This PDK transmission is magic. We'll see what happens, how bad the sound is when I roll down the windows. Probably too much wind noise. Downshift. Oh, well, stop. How was that? Hit a red light. Don't know how much the core temp we're going to get. But I'm not going to punch it because there's cops up the road. Just, oh yeah. That was an easy pull. Find out how loud that is in comparison. So this is like a speed trap road. Looks like a perfect road to haul ass, but there's always a cop at the top of the hill on either side of the road. You never know, because just past this, there's a military base. So it's like a weird thing. The speed limit when I was young used to be 45 here, but they lowered it down to 35 because I guess too many people were hauling ass through here, and there's probably like a really bad car accident because there's a big farm here on the right, and it's a co-op farm, so there's lots of mini farms inside there, and if you have access, you get past the guard, and it'll let you into your own designated section of farm area. There's no comparison. But I still like driving that black car. I mean, when I sell it, I'll be sad. And that's like when I sell it, if I sell it. That car is a guilty pleasure. You know, I could put 10,000 miles on that car over 2 years and still get my $22,000 I wish to sell it for. Or maybe sell it for more, I don't know. But hopefully it doesn't cost me like another $3,000 or $4,000 over the next couple of years. Oh, well, it will, because if I keep it too long, I'll want to put the brakes on it, and the brakes are going to be, you know, rotors, pads, sensors. It's going to be expensive, especially if I use good stuff. So. Special sport steering wheel. Some people don't like this version because it's the one where you can drink and shift, because both buttons slide up or down, which is very different from the regular paddles. But this is the tech sport deal with the volume and the shifters and stuff. It's a little weird when you first get it, because then you're like thinking, oh, pull on this one and you pull on that one, next thing you know you pull on the wrong one, you think you're upshifting, you know, and it downshifts. Because downshift is push. No, upshift is push, downshift is pull, doesn't matter which one you're on. Gosh, even I get confused. But not when I'm actually driving the car. Cup holder mode. There's no cup, oh, there's a cup holder, see, it's hidden in here. Which we just replaced the cup holder. Wait, is this the same? Did I just put a 991 cup holder in my 997? That is too hilarious. Oh, I do need to get something. I'm driving like such a... I need to go to the post office. I will say this. When I'm driving this car, people don't mess with me as much as they do with the black car. Like, people get out of my way. It's like very enchanting. Versus like the black car, people ride my ass. If I speed up, they want to race. This car, they just leave me alone. They just want to see it go by. They keep a distance. People let me take their parking spot. They are waiting for. They go out of their way to be courteous. Actually was a very fun experience. I'm really glad that we did this little drive. You can even do first gear, but look, other hand. What? Right-handed downshift. Left-handed upshift. See, it's... That's what's special about this car. Is you can do It turned out to be a good day. Cheers. May all days be this good. It's probably a little dark, so you can't see me, but there's a little lava glow to the clouds in the sky. Don't know if you can see it.